Hey poopers! Welcome to hashtag straight poop. Now I know I did a tuna. It was in a pan with some cannabis oil and I don't remember the rest of this stuff. I know it was winter time when we did it. I have more tuna, okay? I also have a bag with 3 other tuna steaks. I got a combination here of cannabis oil, sesame oil. There's hoisin, there's soy sauce, Worcestershire, okay? A little bit of pepper, that's it. There's no salt because the salt's in the, soy sauce and Worcestershire. So I'm just gonna throw that in that bag, okay? And we're going to go outside after this marinates for 48 hours. Okay, so it's going to sit in the fridge in this bag for 48 hours. That's a typical exercise here at hashtag straight poop. And why don't you go take a look at one of our pro tips? And 48 hours should go by in about 8 seconds. We'll see in 8 seconds. Larry's pro tip. Hey poopers. My friends at Jack Daniels sent me a half a barrel. They recycle these barrels for planters, gardens. What I do is I take a sledgehammer and a pick or whatever, a chisel, and I remove those steel rings, and then the slots or the slats, okay? The slats here, let me get you to, okay? You remove the ring. You remove the ring and the slats. You take a sledgehammer, they come right out because there's another plate at the bottom holding them in. Once you get those bands off, boop, and I take my Milwaukee Sawzall and I cut them in half because it's charcoal in the middle and it's whiskey. Good whiskey, and that flavors meat very nicely. And I've been using these barrels for like 35 years. Hey poopers, welcome back to hashtag straight poop. Yeah, this is the only way I cook fish, man. I've cooked millions of pounds catering and celebrity chef on TV. I only use this basket now. I don't even know the brand. Doesn't matter, go buy one. They're about 20 bucks. It'll keep you from ruining a lot of fish if you're apprehensive about it. Years ago, Reynolds Aluminum was one of my sponsors on Culinary Adventures. And they wanted me to cook with aluminum foil and everything. And I'm like, no, I can't. I guess they understood. Contract lasted 1 season. Anyway, but yeah, I use it for doing corn on the cob, but I don't put it on the grill. My grill's good and, weathered, haggard, seasoned. But yeah, and with tuna, man, look how the marinade took really well. And not only that, I could control it. And with tuna, I don't like overcooking it, okay? It's up to you. I don't like tough tuna. I like to cook it maybe 2 to 3 minutes aside, then I take it off because of all that residual, cooking time and heat. So that's what I do. I get a good char on it, then I take it in. And then, I don't know, maybe I'll slice some and slice some of these and keep them whole. I don't know. But yeah, that's what I do. And see, I sprayed Pam on the tines on the basket. Okay, all over. And it doesn't stick, man. It took the marinade very well, which I love. And I'm just cooking it over wood. I got pecan here. I got a bed of mesquite. Mesquite's not a hardwood, it's a bush. But yeah, My base is mesquite, and my wood that I'm flavoring this, or you know, the flames are coming from, is pecan chunks. Okay, I got a friend who ships me some like every month. He's got a pecan farm or plantation in Texas. Anyway, so yeah, that's where we're at, man. Make this recipe, it's in our cookbook. Cookbook's free, go to the comment section. If the link doesn't work, email me, it's at the description page. Okay, so I'm gonna stay out here for a few more minutes, poopers. I'm gonna give it a squish, a squirt. Here's another pro tip for you guys I've been doing. This is sweet apple wine, adds flavor, toughens the protein, keeps the juices in. And I've been doing this, I don't know. I've been doing this my whole career for catering and barbecue competitions, but I'm giving you this secret tip, okay? So that's where we're at. I'm gonna be out here for another minute and then I'm gonna take it in and you can join us. Kick the door down if it's closed. Just make sure the jam doesn't come down on the doggies. Okay, we'll see you in a second. Hey, welcome back, poopers. My 4 beautiful tuna steaks or fillets or whatever you want to call them came out perfect, okay? I simply glazed them with a little bit of cannabis oil, a little bit of medicated sesame oil, and I put some ginger in there too. So mixed it up, brushed it on. That's why you have this beautiful glossy finish. Recipe's in my cookbook, grab it. It's links at the comment section. It's been working. If not, my email address is on the description page. My dogs love having you here on #StraightPoop. I do most of the time too. They do all of the time. Hey, thanks for joining us here. Join us again on #StraightPoop. And if you're waiting on us or me or them, you're loafing. Hang loose.